Hey, this is Seema Surana. I'm an illustrator and visual designer based in Bangalore, India. I love exploring new color palettes and mediums, but flora and fauna always tend to find their way into my work. For the Adobe Creative Residency Community Fund, I'll be creating a folklore themed illustration that's decorative and dreamy. So let's get started. Whenever I find elements that catch my eye, I try to put it down in my sketchbook to create a personal bank for myself. After piecing all of this together, I created this. I love the range of brushes Adobe Fresco has, and for this illustration, I'll be using the chunky brush. First, I'll start off with color blocking my composition to bring life to the sketch. One tool that comes super handy now is the Magic Wand tool, which allows me to efficiently change the colors. You'll find this under the Selection Tools drop-down. And that's how I created this illustration. The best part is that Adobe Fresco is free. I'm sure you'd love exploring all of its features. Bye-bye.